Hello. Um, as we move forward, we're going to be doing things a little differently. I sent out the survey to you guys to see where you wanted our focus to be. It was a pretty tight split. About 67 to 70 something percent wanted dystopia, and then about 30% of you wanted to have the thematic units. Um, I just decided to kind of give both of the groups what they wanted. We're going to start with the thematic units, and this is going to be the document that you're going to be using. It's posted on Google Classroom under classwork, and you'll find it there. And I'm going to link to it as well. But you each will get your own document, and as you go through this, you're going to see that you have different amounts of work and different things to do each day. That's not to say you couldn't do more if you were motivated, but the amount of work is meant to be about 2 hours for the week. A couple things that are important to know as we move forward in this kind of new style of learning and of working together. I'm available to you for Google Meets, and I'll just have the meeting room available, and I've sent the meeting link to you already, and I'll do that again. But that meeting time is going to be Monday from 8 in the morning till 10, and on Wednesday from 12 until 2. Now, I have 120 students, so a lot of kids could be showing up, or very few, but if you wanted to talk to me face to face, just wanted to say hi, I'll be sitting there waiting for you in case you need me. If you want to get a hold of me other ways, it's very easy. You can just send me a message on Jupiter. You can email me. There's a lot of ways, of course, to get in touch. If we take a look at this document, okay, this document has a little list of directions here. It says read the article, 5 ways that being appreciated nourishes us, and a TED Talk, and it's got other things. You guys can read through it. And then down here for the digital resource, you have links that you can follow. Afterward, it says some things, some questions that you should sort of think about and how to answer. And then you're going to put those answers down here. Now, obviously, we're not looking for answers to be a sentence or a word, but try to write it out. Try to give me some good feedback here. That style is going to be sort of reflected in the other days. So you've got Tuesday. Down here, there's another one for Wednesday. And then on Thursday, you have one last piece of information, one last bit of work that you need to do. And there you go. Okay? Now we're going to do a few of these thematic units. And while we're working on these thematic units, I'm going to be busy working on the dystopia units. I've started to put some things together. We already have a dystopia course pack, and so I'm going to be putting together some video things, some video instructions and lectures to help you guys out, and then I'm going to be getting some videos for you to watch as well. I'm kind of excited. One of my favorite units. One of the funny things we're going to be doing is we'll be watching some My Little Pony, so you know, it's crazy, but it needs to be done. Anyhow, I look forward to working with you guys. I hope to see or hear from you very soon. And stay positive, guys. I miss you. Take care.